What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Today I've got my 72 volt Razor MX650 Mini Supermoto loaded on the back of the Subaru, and I'm about to go on the longest ride I've ever done with this thing. And I know I say that every other week. I did 30 miles, 36, and then I did 40 just last week. I went from Virginia to DC and to Maryland for 4th of July. I went to National Harbor, but in all reality, today is going to be the longest ride that I've ever done with this thing. I'm shooting for 50 miles. I'm joining a couple of my old coworkers. They got Nami 72 volt dual motor scooter and a couple custom e-bikes that are set up to go over 100 miles. So we'll see if I can do the whole trip with them. I'm just going to keep riding this thing until the battery dies. I'm going to bring a charger with me just in case, but I'm going to shoot for 50 miles with the original charge. And it's 50% thunderstorms for today, so we'll see how it plays out. Hopefully I don't have any sort of battery issues. We're also stopping by a couple breweries and restaurants as checkpoints for tonight, so it should be a good time. Check out this external battery pack. How much extra range is this supposed to add?
That's a 24 amp hour. What was in there is 18, so we estimate about 70 mile range.
This is hood.
Yeah, it's hood.
All right, fully charged. You like my little kid's toy? Huh?
What's the range on that?
I have no idea. Yeah. Hopefully it makes 50 miles today. Yeah.
Well, no, you just bring a tow rope. One of these guys can tow you.
I know.
All right, man. Have fun.
All right, Mr. C. Oh shit! Hey Justin! Hey Justin!
You're gonna want an extra layer here.
God damn!
On the street. We'll be flying it for like a mile that way.
Oh no.
I'm looking at it.
It's rolling in.
Yeah. We gotta go. Yeah, we're going that way, so
We gotta beat this storm. Holy shit! We gotta go!
that was close though.
That was close though, boom, right into the storm. Oh no. What are we doing? That way?
Yeah. No, it goes straight.
We'll just go slow.
Yeah.
That thing doesn't handle gravel too well.
32 and then started going down to 25 up the hills. I was like, come on.
You ready for a Razor build?
How fast is that go?
hell no. I'm on Kaiser Permanente now.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself, man.
I know.
12.5 miles away. Huh?
Okay, yeah, fuck it.
I can blast it.
There's no doubt your bike is just stupid fast.
All right.
I gotta slow down. Only 16 miles in. Yeah. Your size versus the bike size is just hilarious. It's hilarious, right? It's a little tiny thing.
And then you see, you don't hear anything. You see.
One battery has different capacity.
Yeah.
The two batteries have different capacity each. Oh yeah, let's let them go.
Alright guys, just checking in. We're about 25 miles in and the voltage is about at 77.8 volts. So far so good. Two of the guys did fall behind about half a mile, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Alright, it looks like one of the guys, Corey, got a flat on the scooter, so I'm gonna head back about half a mile. I wasn't paying attention. I was wondering where they went off to. This is definitely one of the more interesting rides I've ever done, especially a night ride. I haven't done a night ride with the MX with other people. What happened?
Flat, dude. I was just driving. I feel my rear end start kicking. I was like, that's not good. And then I heard it. And I was like, oh, flat.
Can we patch it? Do we have the stuff?
There's no nail in it.
No nail. Yeah, he's not to be on the steer.
Okay. Gotcha. I'll walk. It's okay.
Yeah, it's not holding there. So likely the tube got a pinch flat or something's going on.
We're gonna try a very expensive experiment here.
Is it a one-time use?
Yeah, one-time use. Justin, I'll let you do the magic there. Just hold the cam. What's that? You want to hold it? That's what a hole is. It's got a big ass hole. What's that? I don't know if it's going to fix that, but just pump it all in. At this point, you can't let it go.
I guess it was a spray foam kind of night after all.
Where is it coming from? Is this a split rim?
I can't lean to the right too much.
That's what I was saying, dude. That's why I was like, your turns are gonna be fun for you.
Oh no, I think I should. Yeah, I just gotta be careful. Yeah. All right, Home Depot, yeah.
Yeah. Look at this guy.
So we're kind of.
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Freaking guy coming in for the save.
It feels really good in here, man. It feels really nice.
Whatever, I'm having fun on my little thing.
I should have rode my bike.
You should have rode your bike.
And shaded on it.
But then again, you'd be out here stuck with this bullshit.
Smoke a cigarette.
One scooter down. So, fun fact, this hotel was actually used for my wedding. Yeah.
For some reason, both motors are going. I can't pull the throttle. Yeah, I don't want to burn the battery down.
What happened?
The display went out. So if the BMS here cut off, then the display would go out. Yep, they're still connected. That means this battery is done. So hopefully the other one takes us home.
I want to put a jacket on. It's freaking cold. It's 1 in the morning. All right, now my voltage is starting to drop.
Yeah, when you hit it.
That was fun. Oh yeah.
I'd say solid 43 miles.
43 miles. All right, guys, well, it is now the next day. I ended up getting home around 2 a.m. last night, and unfortunately my GoPro died before the end of the ride. And things didn't go perfectly as planned. We weren't able to do the whole 50-mile route that we originally planned because obviously we had a whole flat tire situation, and but we were able to get over 43 miles out of last night's ride. Luckily, my buddy Tom was able to pick up the fourth scooter eventually, so it's less weight we're carrying around. Props to Corey for sticking around for the whole ride and riding bitch on Tuan's bike just to see things through. So I can't wait till he has his own scooter. I've been thinking about building a stand-up scooter myself, like out of a E300 chassis. Let me know what you guys think of that, or if you guys have any suggestions for a stand-up scooter that's pretty quick under the whole $3,000 range. Comment below if you have anything in mind for me. But I'm glad this Razor didn't have any sort of issues yesterday. My voltage was surging though once it dropped below 76, 75. volts. It just seemed like it had very inconsistent power delivery, but it did not break down on me. So this is a new record for it, 43 miles. I'm honestly surprised that the BTR battery pack is still lasting this long. I'm ready to put the Emorge in there anytime that it actually fails. If you are interested in checking out any of the parts that I used for this project, I will leave everything linked in the description below. But if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my rides or any of my projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.